Hello and welcome. In previous video we have made this calculator window, and in this video I will first of all I will grade this to here right. Now for this where out that one is here, I will just pass NC anchor is equal to, I will pass to east, and let's make this to both of them because I want to display both of them in right. Yes, it has been shifted to right. Now we will define this function here. First of all, I will define the numeric function. Click here and let's start from here. Define number underscore click, and let's make here we have to make two string. First of all I will make here number this is a string. I will make a string here. First of all we will see that if the string number is no, we need not to make this nothing here. Let's just pass number here. Number is equal to number is equal to plus is equal to simply pass number, and this should be in str. And simply run. Sorry, we have to pass this here. I think we should get this simply by passing this. I will pass to simply 0 here. This should give us 0. Let's save it and run it. We should get, sorry for this, command is equal to lambda and this. We are getting this. Yes, I have not taken this global variable here, and I should make global it is not getting my any code because I am not making here, and here this is a I should get in result. Dot config, let's make with configure text is equal to, I simply pass number and it should show me. Yes, it is working now. Let's make this out. Let's make that same command to all the number. This should be used by this point also here, and this should be changed to point simply, and here is that. This is I think 3. Let's make to all now. I'll first of all copy this and I will change the number. Now simply make this to 7. Sorry for this. This is 8. This is 9. This is 4. This is 5, and this is 6, and this is 1, and this is 2. Let's save and try it. Yes, I am getting what I want like this. It is giving me 0, but we can make this like, I will make this color to black. I think I have made this foreground class, and I should make this background color here and this also, so we have get that one. And I should use fc is equal to, sorry for this, I will use black for this. This is showing because background means that color. Now see if we got, yes, now this is the window we want. Let's try here. This is black. Now first of all we will use this for operator. Now I will define that operator here. Now we have to make for the operator. Now if I have that window, I have no window here. Now I will make again define. I will make here what I will make. This is I should make something odd one. We will show this like the equation, so I will make this equation here. Equation is equal to, this is also text. I will define here r click. Here I will get operator. Now I will first of all global number, because this number will be global all here, and after that it will also be global everywhere. Now first of all I should know if number does not equal to null. Then I have to check if operator is click, then I should pass equation is equal to, sorry for this, plus is equal to, I should make here like this, number plus, here I should pass, sorry, plus I should pass as, let's make this equation plus is equal to, now I should pass str opr. Now here same thing we will do here. After that here, and let's make here also and change this and I will empty this number is equal to simply this. Now result I have to make 0, and here I have to pass equation. First of all let's try this, simply try this. We will make some constant, but I will show you where there may be some reason. Command is equal to lambda and pass this, and here I will pass the sign here and this. Let's see and run it. Suppose I have passed this plus, it is giving me, and I will run it. But when I click this should not done, and it is not doing something here. If it is, suppose I have this like this plus, and when I used to this, it should change this sign, last sign here, and if I click here minus, then it should be clicked as this. First of all I will make this command to every operator here, what we have, and this is minus, and this is multiply. I think this is multiply, and here is division. Divide. This is how we can get this here, and now we have to make the else condition. Else here again we have to make, let's make else if, means if this is not equal to null, then I will pass here equation does not equal to null. Sorry, where my has gone. Equation does not equal to null, and this should be here. We should get here last previous operator prev OPR is equal to, I should get the operator equation equation dot -1 is to last, means I will get the last item. If prev, sorry, I will make this str, so this will be in the form of a string. If VOPR double is equal to plus, or we should copy and paste this. This should be minus, or paste it, or paste it. Here should be division, or this is multiplication. Any of these would be there, then it should make equation is equal to equation. Here this is wrong here. Equation here I will pass from beginning to -1 position, means second last position, plus I should get the sign or OPR. Let's make this, and I should pass same this, only this here, and nothing to do else. It is giving me 2 error here. If I have done something in previous, it should not give me now. Let's make 19 into 3 divided by, and it is changing. Yes, this is changing. What we need is this. Now we have made this equation simply, and we should pass here equal sign. When equal is divided, if there is something, then it will divide, otherwise it will not divide. Sorry, equal. Now here I will make here another function defined equal underscore click. We doesn't need anything, and we have to global this. Let's make all this thing, copy and paste here. Number does not equal to 0, we have to simply evaluate here equation and we have to make equation. Sorry, this should be result. I will make this number. Sorry, I have to pass this same as this, and I have to evaluate first. This can be passed here same as this here, and we have to evaluate then we have to evaluate this, and equation will be null, and number here I will pass number is equal to this, and let's make this label both. Here I will pass number, and this should be empty. Let's see if we get the result here. 19 into 3, let's make equal. Yes, that is what we do. Some silly mistake, we define the function but we don't pass this. That is our main mistake we do. So I have done same mistake here, so that you could remember that mistake here. Let's run it and see our calculator, where 3 is equal to, it should give me as 33.0, as this is the answer. Now this is not working, and we have to run again so that we can check this. Now I should multiply this. When I click equal, it will not do something, and if I make 3, and it will make this, it is making answer, and this is clearing. This is our answer. Now we have work in this function, all of this function, and in next video we will work in this 4 function and meet in next video. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in next video. Please like, share and subscribe, and stay with us.